Alright, we got Wayne over here. He's stripping down the bus of all the electrical stuff, the lights, just getting everything out. All of the brake lines are going to go today, the rear suspension, all of the brake lines, all of the wiring. So he's just doing a little strip down job. And last weekend we got the front end out, windshield out, cut the floors out, and today we're going to get everything pressure washed, cleaned up, get the motor torn down. So that's what we're doing today. Alright, I got the motor bolted to the stand. A little bit of a pain in the ass. I had to use some little spacers here. I'm trying not to put too much pressure because it's right on that lip. I probably should grind these. Shit, maybe I should do that. Grind a little relief out of those. Wayne's out there pressure washing. Oh yeah, check out this new fancy dancy motor thingy. That's nice. Little hand crank. Thanks, Harbor Freight. Make sure you get some right down in the carburetor there, Wayne.
Oh, absolutely.
All right, good. Gotta make sure you gotta lube it. You gotta clean it out. You know.
Yeah.
For some reason, I think this is gonna be upside down. All right, it's looking good. Let's tear her down. Yep, just that little pin's holding it in there.
Oh, she moved.
It's not threaded, is it?
I couldn't imagine that would be threaded on there, because there'd be no way to spin it.
Yeah. Is it going?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Doing good, babe. Doing good.
Yeah.
Yep. So
Yep.
the plan here is we're gonna get this all sanded down. We're gonna have a different stereo in here. We're gonna paint it so it looks much more old school. I didn't realize that it had these weird slots in here that was already damaged here anyways, so I'll have to cut this out and fab a piece to weld in there and metal fab that in. But no big deal there, but I think it's gonna look really nice being painted. Make it look much more like an older vehicle than this whole black padded dash thing. Alright, she's staying in the way. Let me get an action shot here. Oh, yeah. Getting all that foam off. It's gonna look good. Yep. Alright, we got the ball joints off. Tapping the old arm off. Oh yeah. Greasy.
It's pretty long, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, so it's got two sets of bearing kind of things that it rides on, one in here. Actually, you can see that right there. That's what's holding that inner piece on. And then these are all your leaf springs right here. Torsion springs. Yeah, so let's put that somewhere where you don't get grease all over everything. Yeah, your post-work interview.
My post-work interview?
Yeah. So Jenny, you worked on your first car part today.
I did. I got the dash cleaned and all the padding off. I got all the parts out.
Yep,
Everything's
completely stripped, so she's got it all roughed up. All the old adhesive off, old padding off, so we gotta... I actually kind of like the way this looks, but the other side's damaged, as you can see there. So I'll have to decide if I'm gonna just cover that, weld in a piece and smooth it out, or do something cool there. But it's ready for bodywork. So that'll be your next learning process.
yes.
All right. Thanks for your help.
Okay then.
All right.
All right.
All right, guys, thanks for your help today. This Saturday, beautiful Saturday here in Florida. And hope you guys are enjoying this episode, but hope you're enjoying this series. And keep watching, like, and subscribe. You guys know all that stuff. So peace out. See you the next one.